and welcome to Hardware Husky. Today we'll be looking at the Corsair H115i RGB Platinum. Okay, this isn't exactly a new product to me. This is a RMA replacement from Corsair because my one, which I had for over a year, developed a fault with the LED where it couldn't produce white anymore. Corsair's RMA process was beautifully done. I had my unit back in just over a week, even with the pandemic going on, and I had to put out was AMD Wraith Spire for a week. Okay, let's look at the box. On the front we got the unit itself. On the end just goes on about the pump. On the back it shows you got two 140mm maglev RGB fans, optimized pumping copper cold plate, pump head with 16 individually controlled RGB LEDs, and a low noise 0 RPM fan profile. The end is just a mirror image of the other end, and the top, which just goes on about the IQ software and how it's customizable. And there we go, that's the box. Let's open the box up and see what's inside. Let's peel off all this plastic. There we go. It's stuck on the corner. There we go. Now to open her up. Okay, let's grab the end and unfold her. Inside we have a warranty guide and a quick user manual. Lift up the foam piece and yeah, we have all the kit in this box. First we'll pull out the ML140 RGB fans. We got two of them. Yep. What's next? We'll pick out the radiator and pump. A nice 280mm radiator. And this is Cool-It pump, not Acertec. We have the USB cable. Looks like we have some mounting hardware here. What's this one? This is for the TR4 mounting hardware. Another bag of mounting hardware. This looks to be the AM4 AMD mounting hardware and Intel backplate. And we just have a bag of assorted screws and washers. Looking at the pump, it has pre-applied thermal paste, Intel mounting hardware, and it has two fan controllers, two RGB controls, and a SATA power. Here we have the ML140 magnetic levitation RGB fans. There's one, and here's the second one. And this is all the hardware that you get in the box. Okay, let's put it together. First, we're going to screw the fans in. There's one fan. The thread's a little bit tight at first due to the paint. And here we put the second fan in. Okay, be careful where you put the cables depending on which way you want the radiator to go around. Okay, got to change the Intel mounting for the AMD mounting. These just pull off like this. And you just clip the AMD ones on like so. 1 and 2. Okay, let's get rid of this AMD Wraith Spire and install the unit. Okay guys, just a little note for you. When plugging in the SATA, make sure you don't use these ones with 4 cables. These are generally Molex to SATA converters. Use SATA extensions, but only the ones with 5 cables. Otherwise, the fan LEDs will work, but the pump LEDs won't work, as these require, I think it's a 3.3 or 5, I can't remember, but the pump won't light up. Okay, that's it for Hardware Husky. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope everyone is staying safe. Thank you for watching, and take care.